Hello, I'm Chris Debsky, and I'm a physiotherapist for horses. I would like to introduce you to a very special seminar. For the first time in English, we are presenting a seminar from the Princely Riding School Buckburg. A seminar for everyone, interested in healthy riding according to the classical principles of equestrian art. In many hours of theory and practice, we explain step by step how carefully considered aids, lessons, and goals influence the well-being of horses. You will gain valuable knowledge about the anatomy and biomechanics of horses. We explain what happens biomechanically in the horse and which theories of horsemanship are truly healthy and which are not. It is really a unique and very motivating seminar where you sit in the first row of the historic riding hall.